So this is one of Gina's hives that swarmed today. I heard it from inside the house. They were all buzzing around the house. And then they seem to have clumped on this branch way up high in the trees. It's about a good 30, 40 feet up from the ground. So really no way I can get up there to capture them. And really, I think our only hope for getting them back right now is I put one of her old hives down here below where they clumped on. Right now the queen's up there in that big clump, and they've sent out scouts to find a new home. So I'm hoping they find this other hive over here, this empty hive, for their new home, and then we can put it back up on the hill with the other one. So just below the tree there, I've got her other hive just sitting there. I even put some honey on the edge there to maybe entice them to come in, but you know, who knows what they're going to pick. They're just too high to get that big black clump. I don't know if you can see is actually moving. It's a solid mass of bees. Pretty interesting. They're very calm. I was able to get right up underneath them, and they didn't bother me at all. But I've noticed when the wind is breezy, little clumps of bees fall off underneath it. So I guess that's also a chance that they could get blown off of that branch, and we could get them back that way. So you can see this is her hive here, and there are bees in there. I'm not about to go into the hive right now to see just how much, but there's bees going in and out. But not nearly as many as there was the other day. They were all hanging out on the front porch here. Like I said, it's all very calm right now. It's not, they're not swarming angrily. But so in other nature news today, this bird feeder that we had got knocked ajar by a squirrel earlier this year, and Iva went to go fill it up and was startled when the mom came flying out of there. There's a little nest of baby birds in there that I think there's 4 or 5 chickadees. So there's the little baby chickadees. One, two, three. I guess only 4. Maybe there's one in the bottom there.